Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. JN. Today I'm going to show you the fastest way to multiply by 11. The first one we have here is 32 times 11. Normally what we do is just write 32 times 11. Then what we do is say 1 times 2 gives us 2, 1 times 3, 3, 1 times 2, 2, 1 times 3, 3. Then we add up 1 plus 0, 2, 5, 3. This is a long process. So what we do here, we bring out these two, write the first two, you write it here, then you write 3, then add the middle, which gives us 5, which gives us the answer. So we can apply this method for 3 digits. If you have 3 digits, write the 2, write 3, then what we do here, we add the first 2 digits, which gives us 3, and we add the second 2 digits, that is 3 plus 1, gives us 4. Then we try it for this one, the 4 digits, write 4, 4 plus 2 gives us 6, then 2 plus 3 gives us 5, then 3 plus 1 gives us 4. Then I will leave this, the last one for you, which read 453. You have to do it. Thank you.